guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to get these perfect beachy waves using a hair straightener. So earlier I did a video where I'm showing you different hairstyles using a bandana, and I'm going to mention the link in the I button. So I got a lot of requests to do a tutorial on beachy waves. So in today's video I'm going to show you two very simple and easy ways in which you can add texture using a hair straightener. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Alright, so I'm going to start off by using this Livon serum, and I'm going to evenly apply it on the length of my hair. You can go in with any heat protectant hair serum or spray that you wish for. Just make sure there are no knots in your hair. It's going to make the entire process way more easier. Now that I've roughly sectioned my hair into two parts, I'm going to secure the other part with a hair tie. Now getting started with the process, and as you can see I'm roughly taking a small section of my hair. Now to curl my hair I'm going to use this Philips Salon Straight Essential Hair Straightener. It's an amazing straightener and I've been using this from the past 5-6 years. Alright, so now getting started with the first method, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this section between the two clamps of the flat iron, and then I'm going to twist the flat iron in a 360 degrees motion, and then I'm going to smoothly pull through it. So I'm going in the same way, just placing the strand between the flat iron, twisting the flat iron and just pulling through it. Make sure you're doing it smoothly so that there are no visible dents. You can see how beautiful it looks, and it's really that simple. Here's a quick tip that I'm giving you guys. So the bigger the strand would be, the looser the curls, and the smaller the strand, the tighter the curls would be. So when you curl your hair, you need to make sure the hair continues to wrap around the flat iron's barrel as you push the iron towards your ends. So guys, this is one of the simplest ways in which you can achieve the perfect beachy waves or curls if you don't want to invest in a curling tong. So once you start doing it, you'll get the hang of it. It's really not difficult. So now I'm done with this side, and you can see how nice and bouncy it looks. So if you want a more natural look, just run your fingers through the hair and that's it, you're done. Okay, so now moving on to the second technique. It's way more simpler than the first one, but you need to use a hairspray after this. It's not that long lasting as compared to the first one. You can see I'm roughly sectioning my hair, and now I'm going to place the flat iron and I'm just going to wrap my hair around the flat iron and I'm just pulling through it. So when you're pulling it, make sure you're doing it in a very continuous and smooth motion so that there are no dents and it looks more natural. Now I'm just taking another strand, and you can see that how I'm placing the flat iron, wrapping my hair around it, and again just pulling through it. You can see how nice and bouncy they look. So if you're the one who's starting to use a hair straightener to curl your hair, then I'm going to suggest you to go with the second technique first, and once you get perfect in this technique, then you must move on to the first one. So now I'm done curling my hair, and you can see how voluminous, bouncy and beautiful they look. I'm just running my fingers through my hair for a more natural look. So this is the final look, and you can definitely try adding a bandana or half tie your hair, or you can even add some accessories. I feel curling can make your hair stand out, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you all in my next video.